Okay, so we have a new subscription. It is SIPS Buy. So this is about teas, in case you're curious. It could have been about anything, but this is about tea. So SIPS Buy, I seen on Catherine. I love tea. I've gotten out of drinking tea for a few weeks, but I want to get into this, and maybe we can just do a video about making tea. But I love tea, so I was interested in trying it, and this is the company, SIPS Buy, because then they tell you who the SIPS are by. So we have July teas, because that's when I ordered it. So in here, oh look, it says made for Bethany. Oh my god, I love personalization. 1, 2, 3, 4. It looks like there's 4 things in here. Oh, and there's a bunch of samples. 3, 4. Puka. This is Blackcurrant Beauty SIPS by Puka. You get 1 bag, which there's 5 of them, and it's 1 bag per 8 ounces of water. You steep for 15 minutes. It smells so good. It says it's a delicious, deep purple fruit to help you glow inside and out. Please recycle. All right. Licorice root, sweet fennel seed, orange peel, beetroot, blackcurrant fruit, natural blackcurrant flavor, orange essential oil flavor. Oh, sounds like something for me. In my house, typically, Yogi has a bunch of other ones for like sleeping and all that. So this one is the Relaxed Mind. Promotes tranquility. Also caffeine free. 1 bag in each of these. Relaxed Mind by Yogi. SIPS Buy. Get it? Okay, so you steep this one for 7 minutes. And it has sage, blackberry leaf, lavender, nettle, skullcap, go-to, cola, a bunch of words I cannot pronounce. This blissful blend combines uplifting big words to support awareness, while lavender and sage add soothing floral notes. Awesome. Okay. The next one is Energy Tea, which, man, I need that. So there's 4 of these as well. So SIPS by Your Tea. It says yourtea.com. Steep for 4 to 6 minutes, and it's very important to actually steep them per the packaging, because there are different types of teas. There's green teas, there's black teas, there's oolong teas, there's fruit teas as well, and they all take a different amount of time to get the effect. So this one actually contains caffeine, hence the energy. This formula has been designed and in Australia for best results. Your tea recommends drinking 2 tea bags per day for 3 weeks. Some flavor notes are green tea, American ginseng, tangerine peel, euphorbium bark, herba pateris, ginseng flower, corn, mint, lemon, and lavender. It smells really good. They all smell really good, really. I mean, anyway. And then the last 4 that we have, so we have a total of 16 tea bags, and I will leave how much it did cost, and you can check it out yourself. This one is SIPS by the Republic of Tea. Now this is a black tea, cranberry blood orange black tea, and it steeps for 3 to 5 minutes. It has a high caffeine amount. This tart, sweet, fruitful blend of cranberries, black tea, and orange peels is delicious, either hot or ice. Ooh, that's nice. So this one steeps for 3 to 5 minutes because of the fruit, I'm sure of it. So I love blood orange, and I do love cranberry. And you know what I do, like as a tip, you know, in case you actually go somewhere, to a restaurant or wherever, you just ask for hot water, and I bring my own tea bags, and I make my own tea sometimes because It's not always the same. Anyway, so let me know what you guys think with this company, sipsby.com, hashtag sipsbybox. I like it. And I'm excited to try new teas. I love teas in general. I drink chamomile tea almost nightly to help me fall asleep, relax me a little bit. But there's other teas. There's passion fruit teas. There's hibiscus tea, which is really great. Not really into green tea unless it's iced. But anyway, let me know your thoughts. What did you think about this box? And do you like tea or coffee? I like both. But anyway, have a great day, guys. Stay safe.